Hello everybody, this is my 2003 CBR 600RR. It's currently in the process of becoming naked because some fucker hit me. Nothing I could do about it. But I'm just looking for some internet help because I'm cheap and don't want to go to the mechanic because it could just be a simple thing that I don't know. I'm only 18 and I'm just looking for some help. So I dumped the bike on that side, the left side of the bike, and I'm just curious on why the bike won't turn over. I know there's 4 things: air, compression, fuel, spark, but I'm just wondering if any of you know what happens after this step and the cause of the engine not turning over because of this. Yes, I know that's the starter. But if any of you know, if it's one of those 4, I would like to know because I have all winter long. It's only December. With this fucking shit ass weather. So I got all winter to fix it. So if you could just help, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.